Hi guys, can you believe you can transform a video from this into this? With just a simple prompt? No complicated editing skills or professional software required. Today, I'll show you how to create these amazing AI video transformation effects using Edimakor. Let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Method 1, reference to video first. Open Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Video, Reference to Video. By default, Edimakor uses the WAN 2.7 Reference Video AI model. Next, upload your reference video and enter your desired transformation prompt. For example, I want to change only the environment of the reference video to a grass field while keeping the original person's facial expressions, emotions, and overall appearance unchanged. After that, adjust the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Then click Generate. Let's check out the result. Wow! The environment has been transformed incredibly naturally, while the original character and actions remain consistent. Method 2. Video Clone. Now let's try another powerful feature. This feature can create a new video that closely follows the original video's movements, composition, and style. This means you can use it to recreate trending social media videos and create fresh content ideas for your own channel. Now, go to AI Video, Video Clone. First, upload your reference video and reference image, then adjust the resolution and aspect ratio. The most important step is writing a clear prompt describing the changes you want. For example, I only want to replace the season in the original video with the winter environment from the reference image. Finally, click Generate. Let's take a look at the result. The cloned video looks extremely similar to the original while successfully applying the new visual changes. With just a simple prompt, you can completely transform almost any video. Isn't that amazing? Edimakor's AI video features make creative video editing easier and more powerful than ever. Download Edimakor today and start creating your own AI-generated videos.